Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Beverly Place, Mexico, Pampanga. Sa wakas, matutuloy na rin natin yung ginawa natin swimming pool dito. So set up tayo ng filtration system, then salt chlorinator, pump, filter, tsaka inverter, heat pump, pool heater. Tara, samahan nyo. So ayan guys, ito na yung pool natin. Ayan, nilumot na. So yung kaunti ano na din. Inverter heat pump natin. Ayan, Cairo brand. Then salt chlorinator pump. Salt chlorinator natin is Inox, tsaka last swim ang pump and filter natin. So yun guys, maraming salamat. So guys, sa lahat ng magpapagawa ng swimming pool, magpapaset up ng filtration system, electromechanical works, message lang dito sa main page namin, Dr. Swimming Pool Construction Services. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.